Huh?
I said, go and carry these two pure water, eh?
Mm.
Go and give it to my success. Tell my success to give you two cold water.
No, it's for you.
How many?
Uh,
Two.
5.
Five.
No,
Two.
no, two. These are 3. It's 4.
Who tell you so?
4.
Who tell you that it's four?
4.
What you are holding is two pure water.
8.
8. Come on, 8. Stop, Mr. Man, stop joking with me. How many pure water are you holding? 2. Then what are you saying? Why are you saying it's 8?
No, 2.
It's 2. So what do you say you want to tell Mama Success?
Uncle.
Stand up. Oh.
Huh?
Sit down there. Look at me. Look here. Look here. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. Carry your face to go back. What do you say you want to go and tell Mama Success?
Mama didn't make one. Mama says I didn't make one.
You want to tell Mama Success to change these two pure water to cold
1.
to cold one?
Yes.
If you reach there, what will you tell her?
4 years.
I know. If you reach there, what will you tell her?
I will reach 4 years.
God have mercy upon us.
If you reach for Mama Success shop, what will you tell Mama Success?
Mama says I didn't go.
Who will you tell her that sent you? Look here. Only here where is the
I'm going to take water.
Destiny.
Huh?
You know, at times you do.
I'm going.
So I'm talking to you. You are standing off.